Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Amaka of SKYBELLE Beauty. Today's video is a simple one. I'm starting off with my skin already done. We're going to do a colorful look. Let's jump right into the video.
So I'm starting off with my NYX Jumbo Pencil in Milk, and I'm applying that all over my lid to serve as a nice base for our colorful look. Next, I'm going into my Morphe 35B palette, and I'm going to take that bright orange shade, and I'm applying that in my crease only, avoiding the lid, because we're doing a halo look and we want the colors concentrated on the crease. Going into the yellow shade in the same palette, I'm taking a small blending brush and I'm just blending out the hash line in the crease area. I'm taking a fluffier blending brush and I'm using the same yellow shade. I'm just going to further blend out my crease area. Taking my NYX Jumbo Pencil in Milk and an angle brush, I'm cutting my crease and creating the halo effect. I'm going back into the same yellow shade and I'm just packing that on my lid where we cut the crease. Taking the orange and the yellow shade we used in our crease, I'm just going to run that on my lower lash line to serve as a way of tying the whole look together. I'm taking my Shader X Colourpop highlighter and I'm just going to highlight my face. I'm so sorry guys, the lights went out in the middle of my recording, so I had to finish up the entire look off camera. But don't worry, all the products will be listed down below. I want to take this opportunity to thank you guys so much for your support, for every like, every comment, every subscription, every direction, love, everything. I just want to say thank you, and I want to wish you a wonderful 2019. Cheers to amazing looks, bomb collaborations, and mad ass videos, new amazing content. I love you guys so much, and I can't wait to see you in 2019. Happy New Year, fam.
If somebody wants to do returns through you guys, person cannot do it. If somebody wants to do returns through you guys don't have that option.